Hello guys, welcome to TechStricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make new Apple ID on iPhone. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So as of right now, here's my Apple ID. If you want to create a new one, you can head over and then just sign out and then create it. Another option that you can do is to head over right here to your Safari. And then on your Safari right here, just head over to iCloud.com. So for this one, you can have the option to click on this sign in. Once you have clicked on your sign in, you should be able to see in here the email and the password that you can use. Alternatively, you can also sign in here with Apple ID, but if you want to create one, you can head over and click on this create Apple ID that you see right here. Once you have clicked on that, it will actually redirect you to the next site, which is actually a filled up form wherein you just need to fill up your first name, last name, country, region, birthday, the Apple ID that you will be using, as well as your password, your phone number, and you can also verify it using text message or phone call. So you can also opt out for this announcement and then apps, music, TV, and more. Once you have head over and filled up all of these forms, head over and continue this and it will ask you to verify it. And once you're done verifying, you should be able to make a new Apple ID on your iPhone, and you just need to head over and then sign it in on your settings. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!